Always wanted to travel to multiple countries without worrying about having different visas? Well, look no further, because with the expert guidance of the visa specialist, you can journey to not one, not two, but 29 countries in Europe with the Schengen Classic visa. Have seamless travels between borders, from romantic nights in France, experiencing Greek history, and engaging with Italian culture, or even avoiding crowds in the less visited countries of the Schengen area. For as low as 12,800 per pax, you can get your Schengen visa processed after 10 to 20 working days of complete documents submitted. Your visa is valid for up to 5 years with a maximum stay of 90 days per entry within any 180-day period, subject to approval. So what does the application process look like? First, prepare for requirements collection. Second, pass the requirements and pay the visa fee to the embassy. Third, participate in the visa orientation. Fourth, go to the scheduled biometrics and interview with the visa specialist escort. Finally, wait to secure your visa and then you're ready for departure. This package includes the visa and service fee, checking and filing of documents, a complete tour itinerary, flight and hotel reservations, and full support during biometrics and the interview. So why wait any longer? The European experience is just a few steps away. Get in touch with the visa specialist today and take the first steps toward an unforgettable adventure.